On the afternoon of February 18, 2001, American auto racing driver and team owner Dale Earnhardt was killed instantly in a final lap collision in the Daytona 500, in which he crashed into a retaining wall after making contact with Sterling Marlin and Ken Schrader. Earnhardt's death was officially pronounced at the nearby Halifax Medical Center at 5:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At the time of the crash, he was 49 years old. His funeral was held 4 days later at the Calvary Church in Charlotte, North Carolina. Earnhardt was the fourth NASCAR driver killed by a basilar skull fracture during an 8-month span, following Adam Petty in May 2000, Kenny Irwin Jr. in July 2000, and Tony Roper in October 2000. Earnhardt's death, seen on a live television broadcast with more than 17 million viewers, was highly publicized and resulted in various safety improvements in NASCAR auto racing. Since that day, no driver in NASCAR's top 3 series have perished as a result of an on-track accident. After Earnhardt's death, NASCAR began an intensive focus on safety that has seen the organization mandate the use of head and neck restraints, oversee the installation of safer barriers at oval tracks, set rigorous new inspection rules for seats and seat belts, develop a roof hatch escape system, and the car of tomorrow, which eventually led to the development of a next-generation race car built with extra driver safety in mind. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.